Hey Simpli Stored customers. This is a quick video on how to access, edit, and utilize your SimpliStored.com account. The first step of any access would be to access the actual website, which would be logging into SimpliStored.com. That's SimpliStored.com. Once on the landing page, you'll want to select the corresponding account for the facility that you're trying to access. You'll log over to the Locations drop-down and then select the facility where your account is. In this case, we'll be logging into the Bedford, Kentucky Bedford location. It is important to note that if you're accessing a Bedford or a certain facility that you clicked on the corresponding tab. For example, if you were to access the Bedford facility and accidentally click on the Carrollton, Kentucky tab, it would not allow you to correctly log into the account as each facility has a separate login interface. So in this case, we'll be clicking on the Bedford, Kentucky Bedford location. Once on the Bedford landing page, you'll select the Make a Payment /Login button, which will bring you to the login screen. On this screen, we'll be using a test account in this case, or using your username and password which has been provided so that we may access the account. Once logged in, if this is your first time initially logging in or you see the Sign Your Storage Rental Agreement pop up at the top, it's important to go ahead and review and sign this so that your account may stay compliant. On this page, you'll see your storage agreement with all your information as well as the contract and terms of the rental. It's important to review all this information and then acknowledge that you have read so by clicking on the box that says I have read and agreed to the above agreement. This screen will be accessible both on the computer and the mobile device, at which point you should be able to use an e-signature for the agreement here and hit Sign Storage Agreement. Once it's been signed, you should receive a message saying Successfully Signed Storage Agreement and be able to return to your account dashboard. On your account dashboard, it's next most important to verify your contact information here. You'll see your name, email, cell phone, and mailing address, as well as any other pertinent information that's been put on file. If any of this information is incorrect, you may access and edit this information by hitting the Edit Profile button. Once on this screen, you'll see all your information that we have on file. You can add additional security questions, ensure that you have a driver's license photo either on record or also uploaded, enter in alternate contact information, and if you're utilizing outdoor parking, which is a rentable space, you will also type in pertinent information including which vehicle and license plate you'll be parking. It's important once you input any of this information to utilize the Save button. Additionally, it's important to ensure that your email is correct, as most communications from the facility will come to your email directly, and hit the I agree to receive text message communication from this facility tab, as you will also receive text reminders and account information via text, including your setup information for the initial access to the facility, which includes your passwords, your gate codes, and also your DaVinci lock codes. Once all this information has been input and verified, hit Save. In this information, or in this case, the driver's license is missing, as this is a required thing that must be updated on the account. Once you return to the dashboard, you'll see your current rentals. You should see your unit number, your rental rate, when you moved in, you can request move out, and when your next bill is due. You'll also be able to access all of your billing history here, which you can also see in full history mode and download as a PDF. To place payment information on file, you'll see your current balance here and hit Make a Payment. Once on this screen, it should show which bills are currently due and the due date and total amount. You'll then hit Make a Payment. Once on the Make a Payment screen, you'll type in the corresponding information for your debit or credit card. Currently, we accept Visa, Master, Discover, American Express. Also ensure that the mailing address on file for this card is the corresponding mailing address for the card itself, and then you may select Save this for future use. If you select Save this for future use, it will not put the account on automatic billing, however, will save the card information so that you may log in and manually pay it each billing cycle. We recommend that you also select Make Active Payment Method. When making an active payment method on the account, this sets up the account on what will be considered auto billing, where the account will auto credit or debit your account each month using the card on file. It's important to note that this payment will usually be made on the first day of the month, first calendar day, but may also be delayed to the fifth calendar day without penalty in the case that you need to adjust your billing to arrange for payment. In this case, if you need to adjust your payment through the first through the fifth, please contact our office so that we may edit this on our end to allow your payment to debit your account a day past the first. Once again, the account will not be considered late until the sixth, so you may debit your account between the first and the fifth on auto pay. Once this information has been set up on the account, hit make a payment, and this will make the payment and also place this information on the account. The next thing to note is in the event that you're unable to access your account because you've either lost or forgotten your password, you can reset this automatically by visiting your account on simplistored.com. Once again, you'll select the corresponding facility, hit the make a payment /login button, and then type in your username. It's important to note that your username is in fact case sensitive and will need to be typed in the exact way. At which point you'll select reset my password and receive a verification that the password has been reset. In the event that you need to contact our office for additional information, our office is open Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You may see our contact information or request a contact by going to the Contact Us button, where you can set or fill out this form and hit send a message. You may also contact us at our email, contactus@simplistored.com, or you may text or call us at our office at 502-233-1342. So in this video, we demonstrated how to log into your account, how to edit your information, how to put a payment on file, how to reset your password in the event of a lost or forgotten password, and how to contact our office for additional information. Should you need anything further, contact us anytime at 502-233-1342.